All right, I am back, and in today's video, I'm going to be writing some local SEO content for a client. This client is in the junk removal business. Their service area is in New Jersey, and so anytime we get a new client, we obviously want to start with their homepage, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today, is just writing their homepage content. But this is going to be primarily a video on how to use AI to write local SEO optimized content. So if you have an agency out there, if you're thinking about starting an agency for local service businesses, this might be a good video for you to watch, just because you're going to learn a lot about how to structure content. And I think there's a lot of videos out there that probably talk about SEO, but not primarily local SEO. And everybody kind of has their own unique process when it comes to, these local SEO agencies. But over the years, I found that this is probably going to be one of the best ones out there. So it's going to be a little long-winded, but bear with me. And with that said, I'm just going to get right down into it, and we're going to get started, okay? So let's go over here and pull up my magic little tool here. Now, if you've been following along, you probably know about this tool already. It's a tool that I've developed. It's called the SEO Analyzer tool. Pretty cool name so far. Actually, it's pretty boring, but I'm going to come up with a cooler name for it later. So this tool, basically, I could put my keyword in here that I want to write content for. In this case, it's going to be junk removal, Southampton, New Jersey. And I've already fetched out some results. So I push fetch, it scans Google and pulls in all the page one results, right? So I'm going to start selecting some URLs here to further analyze to create a content outline for this client. So I'm looking down the list here. Here's Yelp. I don't really want to put that in the analyzer because those Yelp pages are usually just a listicle of businesses, and Yelp primarily ranks for everything. So we're going to have junk removal here, Ron's Moving Company. What is the cost of junk removal? TaskRabbit, that's not really relatable. Quora, we don't want Quora in there. New Jersey, same day junk removal, 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Barton Bros, best junk removal and cleanup services in New Jersey. There's one. Easy Junk Haul, that's a Yelp. Commercial cleaning services, junk removal. Okay, top 3 junk removal services. This is Hometown Dumpster Rental, New Jersey. I don't think top 3 junk removal. I think that sounds like a directory, so I'm not going to mess with that. We're going to put Easy Haul junk removal. That's a MapQuest. There's another MapQuest. Facebook, Junk Rescue, Mount Lauren, Southampton, New Jersey, Pro Property Cleanouts. That's probably another good one. Trash and Recycling, Southampton. Okay, that's a government website. We don't want that. Okay, so we have some local businesses that I'm going to analyze here. And wait a minute here. We actually have a few more down here. I might pick just one more. Junk removal, Martland, same day junk removal, junk rescue. Okay, maybe I'll pick that one. Southampton, New Jersey sounds like it's like a small area, so there's probably not a lot of content for that. You know what? Let's just go down here. Local junk removal, Hampton, New Jersey. Let's go to, let's see here, junk garbage removal, Public Works, trash collection, trash recycling service, trash recycling, holiday trash schedule, New Jersey junk removal. Why not? We'll throw those in there. Local junk removal, Hampton, New Jersey. Okay. Rubbish removal, garbage collection, junk removal, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Why not? Okay, so we're going to analyze these URLs. So now the tool is going to basically go in to each one of these links that I've selected, take a snapshot, and then I'm going to be able to use that data with custom prompting and AI to generate a really nice, unique SEO optimized content outline. So give it a second here. Let's just let it run. And perfect, we got our results back. Okay, so now these are analyzed. I can run my default prompt through here, generate an outline. We're gonna go back over here and we're gonna wait for it. Okay, so there's our outline right here. Introduction, understanding junk removal services. Boom, boom, boom. And what I might do is go back to the prompt here, generate a local SEO outline for the following extracted data, and then generate it again. Sometimes adding the word local SEO outline, I think, will guide the AI in making a better outline, just because then they know it's like, okay, this isn't just like a typical blog article. This is a very specific thing, like a local SEO outline. So Let's see if that returns anything different. And boom, okay, introduction, boom, 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 understanding junk removal services. And okay, so it did mention a brand in here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go back over here, and this is something, another little trick that you can do, right, for your clients. If you have any kind of, home service clients, you could take their business name, their address, their phone number, any kind of information, basic information that you have about them, and use a tool called Perplexity. And so what I did was I put the company information in here like this, and then I said, do some deep research into this company and create a bio for them. So then what it does is it goes out to the internet, finds any brand mentions about them, and basically extracts all that data to create a company bio. So I got it right here. I've already ran this prompt. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna tell this prompt here, here is the company info to use in the outline. Great, perfect. Here we go. All right, we're gonna generate it one more time just to see if it turns out any better. Because you see right here, it says this 1-800-GOT-JUNK. That's a brand, that's a totally different separate company. I really don't wanna, have, some other company's brand be mentioned in my client's content. That would be actually embarrassing, right? So let's go for it. All right, here it is. So introduction, understanding junk removal services, benefits of hiring professional junk removal services. Then it has the brand, Junk Removal Junkies, your local expert, right? So boom, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna put this in over here, and we're gonna actually run this into Markdown. Oop, I didn't copy it. Give me a second here. Copy. And there it is, right? So we got the outline, what we want it to kind of look like. Easy booking process, what to expect, frequently asked questions, call to action, right? So now with that said, I'm gonna load a prompt here, and we're gonna do some research. We're gonna generate an outline. So this prompt's a little bit different. It's gonna scan all the analyzed URLs and create a research doc. So that way I know a little bit more about what keywords are gonna be important to put on the page, what, it's gonna optimize and analyze the SEO titles and create me an SEO title that it thinks that can compete. So quick junk removal services in Southampton, New Jersey, same day service. Efficient junk removal in Southampton, New Jersey. Book same day service, reclaim your space quickly. Call for free estimate now. Got the keywords here. Frequency, audience, homeowners and businesses in Southampton, predominantly age 30 to 60, environmental conscious, seeking hassle-free, efficient junk removal services. It's got the challenges, the goal, the tone, search intent, primarily transactional, and it's gonna have call to action is gonna be book your same day junk removal service now. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now we can take this, boom, boom, and we have some data, right? What I like to do here is just go boom, boom. So I know there's a separator there. Voila. So now I got some keywords here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to probably my default prompt here. Try this one more time just to make sure. Local SEO outline based on the following extracted data. Use this data for company info. We're gonna go back here, boom. Put the bio back in here, generate this one more time. Boom. Yeah, there we go. This is a little bit more better. This is, to me, this is gonna be a little bit more, boom. So you got, junk removal, our services, garage basement cleanouts, why choose junk removal services, or why choose junk removal junkies, boom, 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 service coverage area, customer testimonials, contact us, conclusion, right? Perfect. Okay, so now what we can do is we can run a third prompt here, and I'm gonna load this up, and I'm gonna put my enhanced outline prompt in here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start plugging some of this data in here. So it's 1,650 keywords or words for the page, which is quite a bit for a home page for local SEO in my opinion. But search intent is gonna be, and the content type is gonna be, it says how-to guide, but I'm gonna put service page overview. And we're gonna do the keyword here. We're gonna get the SEO titles and meta descriptions. We're gonna plug it into this prompt. So this is like a 3-part system to be able to create this outline. All right, here we go. We got the keywords here. I'm gonna plug those in to the prompt. I'm gonna get this search intent, audience, all that. We're gonna plug this in. Boom. We can get rid of the persona, external links, headings. Okay. And then we're gonna say, use this outline, right? Bam. So we're gonna put that in there, generate. And now we should have a brand hammer new SEO optimized outline. Okay. Okay, there it is. Let's run it one more time. Recycling. Okay, now we have this. I'm gonna copy this here into my little blog outline. Boom. So this is an additional prompt that I run through ChatGPT to actually create the content. Let's go here. Let's go up here and get this SEO title, and I'm gonna copy this, put this right here. Okay. All right, so we got that. We're gonna have the keywords in this prompt. Again, right there, bam. Okay, so we got that, we got this. We're gonna have the word count, which again is gonna be 1,650. The search intent is gonna be a transactional with informational. And the SEO title again is gonna be, there we go, boom, boom, boom. There it goes, there's my prompt all the way filled out. And then we're gonna put in our expertise into this prompt. And here's where the magic really starts to happen. So, expertise, boom. We're gonna get rid of some of this because some of this is for a blog post. All right, so we're gonna copy this whole prompt here, copy this, go to ChatGPT, we're gonna be on 4.0, and bam. So here it is, overview. Are you tired of staring at the old sofa in the garage, tripping over debris in your backyard? Let us help you reclaim your space. At Junk Removal Junkies, we specialize in quick, reliable junk removal services in Southampton, New Jersey. Bam! Whether it's cleaning out cluttered attic or hauling away construction debris, we're committed to providing efficient, eco-friendly solutions tailored to your needs. Plus, with our same-day service, you can enjoy stress-free, yada, 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 right? It's even writing out how our service works, competitive pricing, customer-centered approach. So we'll put a service area in there. We'll put some kind of like location pages. We'll internally link them to the service area coverage. And that right there is about 666 words. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna go back out here, I'm gonna refresh. Canvas doesn't really do it right for me sometimes. I'm gonna have it answer in chat instead. Okay, I don't really like that one, so I'm gonna actually have it go and do another one. And that's the beauty of this. Sometimes, you know, it doesn't work out on the first go around. That's okay. That's just part of the process with AI. So let's just start another one here. By section. There you go. Next section. I feel like that's kind of one of the tips to using AI. If you have it just try to write the content, like a 1,600 word article in one section, especially with prompting like this, the content just rarely turns out any good at all. But if you prompt it to write it section by section, you're gonna find that it writes a much more thorough piece of content. So take that as a word of advice, that, you know, just a tip. If you're into content or using AI for content creation, try to break it down into smaller chunks. Next section, you might be surprised at how well it turns out. Yeah, because you see right there, this was supposed to be about 450 words, which we'll see here, 414, so that's pretty close. Next section. Actually, this is what I'm gonna do for that. It's always nice to put the people also ask in there, just some of those questions. Okay, so now we have a pretty good piece of content here. There it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go boom, a nifty little plugin here, and we're gonna go to export to Google Doc. And then we're gonna hit Control V and blow this up. Okay. So now we have, delete some of these sections. Boom. Okay. All right, get rid of some of this prompting. There it is. Boom. And we'll get rid of this introduction. Okay. I'm gonna say now, create me 4 visual prompts dev articles. Then we're gonna open up Replicate. We're gonna go dashboard. We're gonna go to FluxDev Black Forest Labs. And I just basically said, now create me 4 visual prompts to use in FluxDev to create a featured image to support this main topic's articles, right? So I'm just gonna grab prompt 1 here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to 16 by 9. I'm gonna turn up the outputs to 4. We're gonna keep it on PNG. We're gonna get rid of the go fast option. And then we're gonna take our prompt here and we're gonna paste it in here. And now we're gonna create a image to support this to use in the hero section. So this right here is gonna be a team of professional junk removal workers loading old furniture, appliances, and cardboard boxes into a large truck set in a clean suburban neighborhood in Southampton, New Jersey. The truck is branded with quick junk removal and highlights eco-friendly icons like recycling symbols, bright sunny day with vibrant greenery in the background. We'll see. Sometimes that doesn't always work, but yeah, there it is. I like this one right here. We can go with this one, save image as. I may even label it for SEO purposes if it gets uploaded to the website. We'll just name it junk removal, Southampton, NJ. Oop, got a semicolon in there, boom. And then what we'll do here, we will insert the image, upload from computer, boom, right there it is, bada bing, bada boom. Then I'll let my team know, here is the SEO title, here is the meta description for this article. Put that below here so they don't forget to upload that. And voila, we have a local SEO optimized homepage written completely by AI. Let's check it with Grammarly real quick here. Check for plagiarism in AI. And like I said, a lot of my content does come back AI generated. However, I've talked about this in length in other videos. Honestly, as long as the content's helpful, it's good, and it matches the intent, a lot of times Google will index it. And I've gotten a lot of page 1 rankings off this too. So, you know, a lot of people have, you know, they're definitely heavily opinionated against it, but 36% AI. So not bad. This is pretty good, right? So in my opinion, we'll go ahead and fix the red ones here on Grammarly. I don't really worry about the other ones because, and bam. And that's it. That is it right there. SEO content. Let's see here how many words. And we're at 1,800 words, which is kind of a lot for a homepage, but I think that this is pretty good. So we got the service area, the get in touch call to action, the frequently asked questions. We're gonna get rid of this section right here. And that's it. So that probably took me about 20 to 30 minutes, but for this client, their homepage content's done. I can go ahead now. I can go write their service page content. And yeah, as you can see with this, I can actually move through this pretty quickly. It's not a one-click boom process just yet. I'm working on that, but this process is way quicker than what it used to take us. It used to take us 3-4 days to come up with homepage content. And the thing is like, I don't know everything about junk removal. However, I'm able to analyze the search that's already ranking out there and come up with a custom outline based off of that that's going to match the intent It's going to match a lot of the keywords that's on the page, but it's going to create a unique piece of content that's going to serve the business, right? It's going to represent the business the way that they want to be represented, and it's going to sound professional because I'm using already data that's from the search engine, and then I'm mixing in a company bio about that company, like a persona, and weaving that into the content as well. And so it turns out, I mean, you can see right here. So, I mean, it reads pretty well. So AI content is definitely here to stay, folks. So anyways, I hope you guys learned something from that video. I'm sorry I got long-winded, but that's just what it takes sometimes. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like to see any other style of content. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. We'll see you later.